How to use voice commands to format text in Google Docs. It's pretty simple and quick to do. If you just follow the steps, I'll show you guys in this video. Now, in order to do that, all you need to do is open Google Docs. Here I have this sample text that I want to format, and I'm going to use voice commands to do that. If you don't know how to use it, simply press Ctrl Shift and S, and this will appear right here. Make sure your mic is enabled, and once you enable it, you can use voice command typing in Google Docs. And now here, let me just show you how voice formatting works. Select Introduction. See, here it selected this text, and now I can say apply heading 1. Just like that, it applied heading 1 to this text. Now, there are tons of commands that you can use with Google Docs. You need to go and find them using an AI. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to list out all the commands that you can use in Google Docs. Let me show you. Now, here I asked ChatGPT to give me all the common formatting voice commands for Google Docs, and here they are. For paragraph and alignment, you can say new line, new paragraph, and some other commands. For headings, there are other commands that you can use, and you can use all these commands together to format text in Google Docs. That's how you can go into it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.